Guys, I made this super cool DIY samurai bot. Just look at it. Just look at it kill minifigures. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay. Hi guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be building an RC kind of like a samurai bot or something. So yeah, let's just begin. So this is the base of our machine, and here's all the electronics we're gonna be using in this build. Okay, so this is an X6B or Servo module, and here's all the servo wiring and stuff like that. So let me just quickly unplug all of these cables. And yeah, this is a board that I made using a piece of PCB board and some pin headers. So guys, I'm just gonna quickly put all of these cables in this base. Yeah, just like that. And now I'm just gonna glue all the servos on over here. Yeah. Just gonna clean that up a bit, and it's gonna go something like this. Yeah, just like that. And I have already done that. Just look at that. Yeah. Guys, the arm part is done. I attached a sword here, and yeah, now I'm just gonna attach 2 of these yellow gear motors right over here. Yeah, and connect it with an RC because I still didn't quite get the ESC yet. It should be here till next week. And attached these free wheels here. Guys, the machine is done, and I attached this little 9-volt battery here because this motor wasn't getting much of a grip, so I thought I should put some weight here, and it's working flawlessly. So yeah, let's just test how it works. Guys, we got this minifigure over here. Yeah, so we're just gonna kill him because we like killing people, and yeah, why not? Okay, he's dead now. I feel bad for you, but yeah, I like killing people, so it's fine actually. Okay, so we got this battery here too. He told me that I'm depressed and want to die, so I'm just gonna fulfill his wish. So apparently somebody told the FBI that I like to kill people, and they came here and arrested me. But yeah, I'm just gonna do it again because I'm dumb. Yeah, Superman died. Sorry, Superman. Okay, so just gonna kill this guy too. Yeah, here we go. Just gonna show you guys in the same clip in slow motion, and here we go. Now this one is gonna be interesting because Venom is heavy. Okay, I take that back. He killed him. And that was it. Just gonna kill Superman one last time. And guys, if you like my content, please like the video and subscribe my channel.